For the LED headlight upgrade, I chose to go with some lights from Steady. They're the only people that I've seen make lights like this, that sort of old classic halogen headlight look. I think it looks really cool and I wanted to keep that classic look. And most importantly, these are ADR compliant. Unlike the majority of eBay ones, these have a real nice straight crisp line below the traffic line, so you won't blind oncoming traffic. Just like that. As you'd expect in a 20-plus-year-old car, all the bolts are pretty badly rusted. We should just be able to twist and it comes straight off. I'll leave the plastic on until all fully in, but it's looking pretty good. Pretty happy with that. Now before I plug in the new headlight to the original outlet down here, I need to add this canvas module in between. And what this pretty much does is stop the lights from flickering, so certain cars you do need to have this. So make sure you keep an eye out. Some cheap Chinese ones don't actually have this. So with the module, I'm thinking I'll probably have it just bolted to that, so it sits somewhere roughly there, but I don't have a bolt on me, so I'm just going to do a dodgy and just zip tie it for now, and then I'll sort that out later once. And it sounds like it would rattle like no tomorrow if you don't have this thing tied down. And this little wire here is just the Parker's. I'm not going to use that, so I'm just not going to worry about it. For the main event, does it work? Nice. For those of you wondering, the top half of the light is low beam and then the bottom half is for high beam. Let's put this all back together, and before we can test out these LED lights against the old halogen ones, we need to aim these beams. Now I got pretty lucky where I didn't actually need to adjust anything, so that can happen, but you need to make sure you adjust these just in case one's a little too high and you're blinding the other guy on the other side of the road. I'm not going to show the adjusting in this video, so if you like you can just pause it right here and give it a read what you have to do. It's pretty straightforward. I am really surprised how well these halogen lights hold up against the LED ones. The halogens are more of a wider beam, but a little bit dimmer. The LEDs are a lot more intense, but very focused and very long range, as you can see here. I do prefer the white colour over the amber. It makes the Troopy feel a little bit more modern, but this is about performance, and what do you reckon? Is this worth the extra $400, or should I have spent that money on some spotties instead? Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in the next one.